Hey, you don't need more traffic. What you need is to convert more people that come to your website. I want to give you the number one secret to how I've sold over $120 million worth of products online. It's a free training. Free. Absolutely. Click the link above or below, or hang tight right here. I'll give you a chunk of it right now. Listen, there's a word out there that a lot of people don't like to talk about. It's called copywriting. And the first thing that people think of when they hear this, oh, I'm not a writer. I don't like writing. I'm not gifted, you know? And what if I told you that for me, it was the worst class I ever took? It was the one class I almost failed. But I'm here to tell you that it's the one skill that I honed super easily using a template. All right, a template formula I'm going to hand to you right now in this video. One little templated formula that's made me more money online. I don't care if you're doing e-commerce, digital publishing, affiliate marketing, blogging, if you're doing coaching and consulting, you need this. Even if you're a salesperson talking to someone face-to-face, this is going to be the formula. So you ready? All right, so let's dive right in. So first and foremost, it's a 5-step formula, and it's the exact same formula whether you're writing emails. A lot of you out there are building your list. How would you love to get more opens, more clicks, more engagement, a rabid following of customers? Well, I'll teach you how to do that using the same 5-step formula. Written sales letters, powerful, powerful tool to be able to get more sales, but 95% of the people I see are doing it all wrong. Again, simple 5-step formula with tons of examples. Just show up for that free training. Listen, click like right now. Leave a comment. Click the link above or below. Register your spot. This training I'm talking about, by the way, it's not just some kind of facade. It's not just some webinar I get you onto and then give you no information, no value, and just pitch you. I promise you, I challenge you, show up for the training. Get involved with this workshop. You're going to be blown away the amount of value you get. All right, now, moving on. Video sales letters, VSLs. People are using videos to sell like crazy nowadays. I'm going to give you the exact formula to use. Last but not least, tens of millions a year is what my companies generate. I have 5 companies, and between all of them, tens of millions a year. This year, probably over 20 million, thanks to webinars. Same formula. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, here's the number one thing that you need to understand, though, okay? The number one thing that you need to understand why you need to participate in this training and do it right away, stuck, is direct marketing is dying. I know what I just said is very controversial, but let's talk about this. Direct marketing is what? Postcards? It's direct mail going to mailboxes? It's infomercials at 2 in the morning? When's the last time you were channel flipping at 2 in the morning? Billboards? Guys, you know, direct marketing, it's not me saying it, it's the market saying it. We're in the age of what I call interactive marketing. I've been training a select group of people secretly on becoming interactive marketing experts, and it's so simple. I don't care if you hate writing, if you stink at writing, if you've never thought about marketing. That's what I love about interactive marketing, is it's become easier using these 5 steps. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, story. Number 3, content. Number 4, transition. Number 5, pitch. Now I can hear you all the way over here. You're thinking, what's so groundbreaking about that, Anik? I've heard these in the words before. You haven't heard them the way I'm going to share with you. You don't know the purpose of each of these. You don't have the template formula for each of these. And there lies the real secret to making this stuff work. This is your opportunity. I'm telling you right now. There's an amazing free training, absolutely free. It's going to blow your mind. Click the link above or below. Click like below. Leave me a comment. I read them. Click share. Engage. Interact with me. Engage with our community. Let me give you the one skill you need. I don't care what kind of business you're building. You need to be able to sell through the art of the written word, and I've got the formula for you, the templates for you. I just need you right now to click a link and show up. That's it. How serious are you about your business? This is Anik Singhal inviting you to an amazing free training. I want to make you a copywriting master, even if you stink at or hate writing. That's the power of this formula, all right? So click the link above or below. I'll see you in the workshop. This is Anik Singhal reminding you, when life pushes you, stand straight, smile, and push it the heck back. And then click the link and show up for our amazing training coming up, all right? And please, do me a favor right now. Click like below, click share, leave a comment. Let's engage. Let's have a conversation. I want to share with you the one thing that's led to the success I've had. And I hope you take me up on it, all right? Click the link above or below. On behalf of everybody here at Learn Nation, I'll see you on the next one.